The diagram below shows a 10 kg block lying on a flat, rough, horizontal surface of a table. The block is connected by a light string to a 2 kg block hanging over a side of the table. The string runs over a light frictionless pulley. The blocks are stationary on the table.
And
So, okwamanje, ama-block amile, awahambi, a-stationary.
static force.
So, ake sidraw ama-free body diagram walama-block lawa if awahambi kanje amile. Singakayi la esihamba khona. Ngesiqale siziwe nje indawo yokuthi asazohamba. Ngesinake nje la khona esamile khona. For 10 kg block, free body diagram yakhona izoba kanje. Now we are having a tension force. We are having FG. We are having
Normal
normal
force.
force. Bese siba ne-frictional force. Yes, ne-frictional force. And le frictional force yethu le ihlukile. La sine-normal force, la sine-tension force, la sino-FG. La sinale tension, sinale frictional force esifuna ukuyi-overcome ukuze le block ikwazi ukumove, okuyi-static frictional force. I-static frictional force. Kahle kahle le kusuke kuyi-application ka-Newton's first law. So njengoba kuthiwa the blocks are stationary, if besinikeziwe i-tension bekuzoba lula uku-calculate ini i-static frictional force ukuthi siwubani. Ngoba njengamanje ama-block njengoba e-stationary kusho ukuthi i-acceleration u-0 meters per square
Yes.
second. Kusho ukuthi i-net force u-0 newtons. So uma uzojoyina F net is equal to MA, uzoba ngapha sine-tension masithi sigethuke kwa-right as positive, although engahambi, minus Fs is equal to MA. Kahle kahle le part le izoba u-0, izoba u-0. So T is equal to Fs. So ileyo nto leyo kufanele uyazi.
Yes.
Kulula-ke futhi ukuthi siyithole ukuthi ilingana nobani Fs. In this case, ilingana nobani
Yes.
singayithola singakanaki information eqhubekayo. Singaqala laphaya. Laphana siyazi ukuthi ama-force mabili akhona futhi and enye siyayazi.
Yes.
Ukhumbule kuno-Fg obheke phansi kunani ne-tension force. So since lezi shani zi-stationary zingahambi
Yes.
nakhona kuyafana, singasho ukuthi mhlawumbe kuya phansi ku-positive kuya phezulu ku-negative, nakhona kuzofana. So kusho ukuthi u-Ft uzolingana nobani? Okay, mhlawumbe singayifaki kahle nje ngingayigqumeli phambili. So F net is equal to MA, ukuya phansi positive minus tension ukuya phezulu is equal to MA. La sizoba no-0, hhayi ngoba kuhlezi ku-0, akuhlezi ku-0, ku-0 ngoba ama-block wethu
Stationary.
a-stationary awamuvi. So sesithi u-Fg minus tension, siyasa ngaleya tension is equal to Fg,
Yes.
i-tension izoba lingana nobani? No-mg. Khumbula Fg ulingana no-mg, we have 2 times 9,8 okuzoba u-19,6 newtons. Bese uzala
Yes.
laphaya i-tension sesinayo angithi tension
Yes.
u-19,6 newtons, kusho ukuthi the static frictional force njengamanje siwubani? So 19,6 newtons. Question enje bangayibuza ukuthi njengoba ama-block wethu a-stationary singayithola kanjani? What is a static frictional force? Okwamanje-ke abayibuza ngale. Shuthi yonke lento kade siyenza le kade senzela nje ukuthi if into enjengale beyibuza sosebenza kanjani ngayo. Bayathanda ukuyibuza grade 12 uma ku-first term, kusho ukuthi nakini bangayibuza into enjengale. Bathi-ke, write down the magnitude of the net force acting on a 10 kg block. Magnitude of the net force, yiyo le,
Yes.
0 newtons, since the two objects are stationary. Bathi-ke, when a net force, excuse, when a 15 newtons force is applied vertically downwards on 2 kg block, the 10 kg block accelerates to the right at 1,2 meters per square second. So laphaya ku-2 kg block into abayenzayo ba-aplya i-force downwards. Kuba khona i-force applied ka-15 newtons. Seyiyaqala-ke lezi zinto lezi senza njalo, seyiyahamba. Ngesikhathi seyiqala seyiyahamba, akusasiyo i-static frictional force esilaphaya. Sekuyini? Sekuyi-kinetic
Kinetic.
frictional force. Ngoba sekukhona i-movement manje. Sekuyi-kinetic frictional force. And i-kinetic frictional force ayisalingani naleya thina esiyitholile okube kuyi-static frictional force. Sesiku-19,6. Okay. Now, sekukhona ushintsho futhi njengoba sek-accelerator sesitsheniwe i-acceleration ubani kusho ukuthi u-F net asesiwu-0, acceleration ayisesiwu-0. Sekukhona ushintsho manje selukhona. Okay. Bathini-ke bathi draw a free body diagram for 2 kg block when the 15 newtons force is applied to it. So now i-free body diagram no 3 marks iyakutshela nje silindele ama-force awu-3. Force applied, Fg, the tension. Now they say calculate the coefficient of kinetic frictional friction between the 10 kg block and the surface of the table. So bafuna umu-UK njengamanje. Into ongayenza la njengoba befuna umu-UK, fanele uthole nazi izinto ey'balulekile. Fanele uthole u-FK, uphinde uthole normal force. Lezi zinto kufanele uyisolve njengamanje. Mhlambe singaqala nge-normal force. Sithi normal force iyodwa-ke i-force ebhekene nanoma opposite yona inakhuza normal force u-Fg in this case. Ingakho-ke sizothi
Yes.
normal force kulesi simo silingana no-Fg olingana no-mg olingana no-10 times 9,8 olingana no-98 newtons. Ngempela?
Yes.
Okay, that is the normal force. Okay, siyishiya indaba ye-normal force. Siye kule ndaba le yokuthi u-FK pho singamthola kanjani ngoba sesishoda
Uh,
ngoba manje
coefficient.
sesishoda ngani nge-coefficient angithi masike sesithola
Yes.
sishoda ukuthi si-calculate i-frictional force and iyodwa indlela yokuthola u-FK ukuthi sithi F net
Is equal to MA.
equal to MA bese sibheke ukuthi kuyiwa ngakuphi konje kuyiwa ngapha
Got
kwa-right angithi ama-forces
yes.
awa-right a-positive ingakho i-tension izoba positive bese sithi subtract u-FK is equal to MA. Siphinde size ngapha sithi F net is equal to MA. Kiwa ezansi. Shutha ama-forces aya ezansi anjani? A-positive.
Positive.
Ingakho sizoba no-F applied plus FG minus e-opposite oku-tension force is equal to MA. Ya, iyona nto-ke le buyidideka abafundi-ke le ukuthi engani ngapha i-tension force i-positive, ngapha i-tension force i-negative. Ku-block 2 or ku-2 kg block iya phezulu i-tension force and ukuya phezulu sikhethe ukuthi ku-negative. Kanti la le tension force iya kwa-right and kuya kwa-right sithe ku-positive. So that's why ngapha iba positive, ngapha iba negative. Kwathi kusayi-tension force eyi-1. Ngapha
Yes.
besisebenza ngo-10 kg block. This is 10. I-acceleration sitsheniwe 1,2. I-tension force
Unknown.
asiyazi i-tension force. U-FK asimazi.
Asparagus.
Okay, size ngapha. Ngapha kuzosolveka. Ngapha sinobani? Applied force
15
sitsheniwe to 15 plus.
plus
Okay, ngithanda ukuthi kube khona ama-variables, so substitute yonke into, plus
uh,
mg minus t is equal to ma. So applied force of 15 plus mass of 2 times 9,8 minus tension is equal to 2 times acceleration 1,2. So lama block ahamba nge-acceleration e-1. Acceleration yakhona iyafana. So mas ne-acceleration ka-2 kg blocks ne-acceleration ka-10 kg block. So 2 times 1,2
2,4
2,4 ngapha kuzoba u-15 plus 19,6 minus t. Okay, into ezokwenzeka sizotransposa lo t aye ngale, sizosala no-15 plus 19,6. Loya uzofika se-negative 2,4. Loya uzofika se-positive ngale. Ngishayela i-calculator.
32,2
32,2 newtons is equal to t.
T.
So ngapha la khona khona u-t sesiyafaka
Thirty
32,2 minus fk is equal to 10 times 1,2 kuzoba u-12.
12
Then kuzoba 32,2 minus 12 is equal to fk. Sitranspose fk uya kwa-right, sitranspose u-12 uya kwa-left. Be-positive fike se-negative, fk be-negative fike se-positive ngale. Then fk uzolingana ubani?
20,2 newtons.
20,2 newtons. So sesinayo i-normal force, sesinayo fk, sesingasho sithi mu k is equal to fk divided by normal force. U-fk wethu 20,2, normal force 98.
Sorry to 0,2.
0,2. Ayinawo ama-unit. Why inganawo ama-unit? Ingoba u-FK umejwa kuma-newtons ne-normal force imejwa kuma-newtons. Ama-newtons
Uh,
akhansela ama-newtons. Ngakho ngi-UK ingenawo ama-unit.